In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset MetaTrader 5 to default settings. If your MT5 platform is cluttered, behaving unexpectedly, or you simply want a clean start, this process can help. Resetting MetaTrader 5 restores the terminal's workspace-related settings by forcing the platform to create a fresh configuration file. Just keep in mind that this will remove your custom charts, profiles, and workspace layout, so it's best to do this only if you're sure you want to start over. To begin, open MetaTrader 5. Once the platform is open, go to the File menu in the top left area of the application, and then click Open Data Folder. This is the folder where MT5 stores important local files, including configuration files that control how the platform looks and behaves on your computer. After that folder opens, the next thing you need to do is completely close the MetaTrader 5 terminal. Make sure the platform is fully shut down before moving on. This matters because if MT5 is still running in the background, it may prevent changes from being applied properly, or it could recreate files while you're trying to reset them. Now return to the folder that opened from inside MetaTrader 5. In that location, find and open the folder called config. This folder contains the settings files used by the terminal. You don't need to change anything else here, just locate the specific file used to store the terminal's configuration. Inside the config folder, find the file named terminal.ini and delete it. This is the key part of the reset process. By removing this file, you're deleting the current terminal configuration so that MetaTrader 5 can build a brand new default version the next time it starts. Be careful to delete only terminal.ini, especially if you want to avoid affecting other files in the folder. Once that's done, reopen MetaTrader 5. When the platform launches again, it will automatically generate a fresh terminal ini file. That new file resets the terminal back to its default state, which means your previous custom charts, profiles, and workspace settings will be cleared out. If your goal was to fix layout issues or undo a heavily customized setup, this is often the quickest way to do it. After the reset, you can begin setting MT5 back up the way you want, starting from a clean default configuration. And that's how to reset MetaTrader 5 to default settings.